Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing hair and tool. Comb through until there are no tangles, then apply heat protectant. This prevents damage and helps shine. Plug in the Philips Kerashine, power it on, and choose a temperature appropriate to your hair, lower for fine, higher for coarse. Once it reaches the selected heat, release a 1/2-inch section, clamp near the root, and glide slowly. Make sure you maintain steady pressure so the titanium plates contact the hair evenly. Now you focus on technique. Clamp a section once at the root and glide smoothly to the ends in one controlled pass. This reduces heat exposure and improves shine. If the hair resists or you see steam, lower the temperature and dry the section more because repeated passes cause damage. Make sure the plates remain parallel and you use the straightener's smooth titanium surface to close gaps. Between sections, comb lightly to reset alignment and maintain consistent tension. To finish, run a final quick pass if needed, then apply a light serum or oil to tame flyaways and boost shine. Apply on lengths only, never the roots. Once done, turn off and unplug the Kerashine and place it on a heat-resistant pad to cool. If you notice creases, uneven straightening, or snagging, first clean the plates, then lower the temperature and slow your glide. These fixes address residue, excessive heat, and technique issues so you get a smooth, lasting result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.